This is a picture of an iPhone, and this is an exported view of that iPhone, and this is a video that was created based on this picture. So basically, you can create this nice exploded view diagram of your product and then turn it into this video using free AI tools in ChatGPT and Gemini AI. So let me show you how you can do it. Okay, first let's go to chatgpt.com and then you can log in to your account. And after that, you have to upload the file, which is the photo, to ChatGPT. You can click on this button and you can click add photos and files and select the photo of the product. Or you can also just drag and drop the photo into this chat area. And by the way, for this demonstration, I'll try to use this drone picture that I got from Pixabay. And after that, I'm gonna be using this AI prompt. So the prompt goes like this: generate a picture of an exploded diagram of the product photo that I have provided. It must accurately exposing the internal components of the product. Use professional lighting and shadow. Add a simple background. The aspect ratio is vertical. There are a few things that you can modify on this prompt. For example, you can specify the color tone, the background, or maybe the aspect ratio. But this is the basic prompt that I'm going to use. Feel free to modify the prompt as you wish. Now, click create image and then send a message and wait for ChatGPT to create an exploded diagram of this product. So this process will take usually about a minute or two and it will show you the result. Alright, so this is the result that I got. It's definitely far from perfect. For example, here there is an extra propeller on this drone, even though it should only 4, and also it just doesn't make any sense. There are a lot of things that are wrong, but fortunately I was able to use Canva to actually clean the picture a bit, so it's going to look a bit better. Now anyway, let's move on to the next step. The next step is you have to navigate to aistudio.google.com. This is the URL, and this is actually a place for a lot of people that want to try some AI models from Google, especially models like Veo, Gemini, and many other. aistudio.google.com, and then you can sign in using your Google account. And after that, click Generate Media, and then click Veo. And then here you have to click on this button. Then click upload image. And by the way, if you're doing this for the first time, it's going to ask you to let the tool access your Google Drive account, because the video that is being generated will be stored on your Google account. So you have to give it the permission. And now after that, you can click this button and then click upload image and select the picture that you just created using ChatGPT. So I'm gonna go with this picture and click open. All right, now let's write the prompt. The prompt that I'm going to use is actually quite simple. So camera slowly orbiting the object. That's my prompt. And after that, you can actually select the aspect ratio. I'm going to select 9:16. And the model is only Veo 2. And the number of results, I think 1 is enough. Video duration is between 5 to 8 seconds. And yeah, that's about it. After that, you can click run and just wait for AI or Veo 2 to generate the video based on the photo that you just created. Now, I'm going to skip forward and show you the final result. Alright, so this is the result. I'm going to play the video and you'll see the result. Well, I think it's pretty good, and yeah, that's what I like about Veo 2. It actually seems to be able to understand the spatial understanding of the object, even though it has no idea what the object look like on the side or at the back, but it's actually pretty good. It's very accurate. Now after that, you can click on the download button to save this video to your computer, and maybe you can incorporate it into your promotional material of your product. So that's basically how you can create a nice looking exploded diagram of your product using ChatGPT and eventually using the Veo 2 on Google AI Studio. So that's basically it. If you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.